Do you want to know how you can add broker to your Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basic. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add broker to your Metatrader 5. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5, which is on your phone. It will take you to this page. Now to add a broker, what you need to do is click on the plus sign under the quotes option. So go ahead and click on the plus sign, which is over here. And you can see this is for the symbol. To add a broker, go ahead and click on these three lines and go to manage account and click on the plus icon, and you can see find broker. Let's suppose my broker is FTMO. I'll go ahead and search FTMO and then it will appear. I'll click on it, and then what I'll do is write down my login ID, my password, choose the server, and after I choose the server, I will click on this button and I'll click login. This way I can add my broker, which is FTMO. It can be any other broker you want, so you can just go ahead and search it over here. It will surely show it over here. So go ahead and search for your broker. It will appear over here, and then you can add it to your Metatrader 5. I hope this video about how you can add your broker to your Metatrader 5 was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.